The Rustic Sanctuary. How living in nature can restore your health and harmony. From hills to lakes, discover the scientifically proven benefits of living in a home that breathes with the world around you and becomes your greatest ally in well-being. A world that spins faster and faster, dominated by bright screens and the constant noise of urban life. The search for a haven has never been more urgent. We long for a place where we can tune out the outside noise and finally listen to our own inner voice. For a growing number of people, that place has a name: the rustic home. At Home and Harmony, we believe that a home is much more than a structure. It is the epicenter of our well-being. And rustic architecture, with its honesty of materials and deep connection to the environment, offers a powerful path back to balance. Let's explore how choosing to live in a home on a hill, by a lake, or in the heart of the forest is not just an aesthetic decision, but a direct investment in your physical and mental health. The foundation of harmony. Why rustic feels so good to us. Rustic design is based on a simple philosophy: honor nature. Solid wood, raw stone, clay, natural fibers. These elements don't just look good. They speak to our senses in a way that's both primal and deeply calming. This connection is at the heart of biophilia. The idea that humans have an innate drive to connect with nature. A rustic home is the embodiment of this concept. The exposed wood beams overhead, the stone wall that keeps the space cool in the summer, the wide plank floor beneath your feet. All of these create an environment that reduces stress on a subconscious level. Unlike sterile, artificial environments, a rustic home is alive, imperfect, and therefore perfect. Nature's prescription, real benefits for a better life. Moving to a rustic retreat is about more than just a beautiful view. It's about embracing a lifestyle that serves as a continuous healing for your body and soul. The benefits are tangible and, in many cases, scientifically proven. Radical stress reduction. Away from the noise pollution of cities, your ears readjust to the sounds of nature. The wind in the leaves, the birdsong, the rushing of a stream. Studies show that these natural sounds lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, reduce blood pressure, and calm the nervous system. Clean air, healthy lungs. The difference in air quality is striking. Living surrounded by trees, which act as the largest air filters on the planet, means breathing less pollution and more oxygen. This can lead to significantly improved respiratory health, allergy relief, and an overall increase in vitality. Natural stimulus to physical activity. Your gym becomes the landscape itself. A house on a hill invites morning walks. Living near a lake inspires swimming, rowing, or kayaking. A cabin in the woods turns a simple walk into an exploration. Physical activity is an organic part of your daily routine, without the need for an enclosed space. Deep, restorative sleep. The absence of light pollution allows you to experience the true darkness of night. This helps regulate your circadian rhythm, the body's biological clock, promoting the production of melatonin and resulting in a deeper, more restorative sleep. You wake up feeling genuinely rested, strengthening the immune system. The Japanese concept of Shinrin-yoku, forest bathing, suggests that spending time among trees strengthens our immune system. trees release compounds called phytoncides, which, when inhaled, increase the number and activity of our natural defense cells. Choosing your sanctuary: hill, lake, or forest. While the benefits are universal, each environment offers a particular therapy. The house on the hill, perspective therapy. Living at an elevation provides expansive views and an open horizon. This has a powerful psychological effect, generating a sense of freedom and optimism. Sun exposure is maximized, increasing the production of vitamin D, essential for mood and bone health. It is the ideal setting for those seeking inspiration and a sense of expansion. The lakeside retreat, calm therapy. The science behind the blue mind suggests that proximity to water puts us in a meditative and calm state. The rhythmic sound of the waves, the reflection of light on the surface, and the vast blue expanse have a proven calming effect. It is the perfect place for contemplation, for creativity to flow, and for slowing down the pace of life. The cabin in the woods, immersion therapy. Being in the woods is the most immersive experience of all. The forest envelops you, creating a cocoon of protection and privacy. The air is rich with the scent of damp earth and pine. It is an invitation to silence, introspection, and a deep connection with the cycles of life. It is the ultimate refuge for those who need to disconnect from the world and reconnect with themselves. Conclusion: your home, your harmony. A rustic home is more than an address. It is a statement of intent. It is choosing health over haste, peace over noise, connection over isolation. It is creating a legacy for your family, a place where children grow up with their feet on the ground and where memories are woven with the threads of nature. At Home and Harmony, we believe that your home should be your greatest ally in the pursuit of a fulfilling life. And maybe, just maybe, the key to that harmony is waiting for you on a wooden porch overlooking your own little piece of paradise.